In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the format in Capcut. A quick and easy process that will take just about 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to share your content on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, choosing the right format is crucial to make sure your video looks its best on each platform. Let's get started by opening the Capcut app on your device. Once you're in, create a new project by tapping New Project. This will allow us to import and edit the video or photo that you want to adjust. So go ahead and add your chosen video or photo to the project. You'll see it appear on the timeline, ready for editing. Now focus your attention on the aspect ratio of your video. In Capcut, this can also be referred to as the canvas. Look for the option labelled aspect ratio and tap on it. This is where the magic happens, and you'll notice a variety of preset ratios that align with the specifications of different social media platforms. Choosing the right aspect ratio depends on where you intend to upload your video. If you're planning to post it on TikTok, select the 9:16 ratio. This vertical format is perfect for making sure your content fills the screen on TikTok. For those who are focusing on YouTube, the go-to option is the 16:9 ratio, which is standard for widescreen formats. This selection ensures that users on YouTube have the best viewing experience. Lastly, if Instagram is your goal, the 1:1 ratio is ideal. It provides a square format that fits perfectly within Instagram's feed layout. Once you've selected the appropriate aspect ratio, take a moment to adjust your video within the new frame if necessary. You can easily pinch to zoom or move the video around by dragging it. This step is essential to make sure the key elements of your content are perfectly centered and visible within the new dimensions. When you're satisfied with the format and your video's positioning, it's time to save your work. Tap the export button, and this will begin processing your video, saving it in the newly chosen format. Depending on the length and quality of your video, this might take a little time, but soon enough you'll have a perfectly formatted video ready to be uploaded to your favorite platform. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to change the format of your content using Capcut. Remember, proper formatting can make a big difference in how your video is perceived, so taking a few extra moments to adjust your aspect ratio is well worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.